is true love, true love. This is true love, true love. True love, true love. This is true love, true love. This is true love, true love. This is true love, true
I had a lot of shit recorded, but it wasn't even recorded, man. Like what? I played my song. I played it again. Type shit. I'm gonna play my song real quick. Doing a whole workout before this shit, man. Oh, the vocals back? Hold on. Snippet type shit.
I've been in the fast lane. I've been pouring wheels was all the dream before the cash came. I've been past the police. I've been feeling so clean. On the road skating, independent, doing my own thing. Road skating. I had a decent chicken, she got class like she from Harvard. Go for the whip, now I'm drifting foreign cars. I came from pockets, now my cash get deposits. Ran up the days, now I'm drifting like a boss. Everybody hating, now they all wanna call me. They ain't had my back for me. Shit was a catastrophe. I was struggling, losing gravity. Shit was a tragedy. Seen a lot of hell, now that shit looking back at me. She wasn't past the stage, now they all looking mad at me. Rise above the fears, embrace the thoughts that they had. Keep it going forward. I've been in the fast lane. Driving foreign wheels was all the dream before the cash came. I've been past the police. I've been feeling so clean. On the road skating, independent, doing my own thing. On the road skating. On the road skating. On the road skating. On the road skating. Every time we played it. It's underground shit. I've been in the fast lane. I've been foreign wheels was all a dream before the cash came. Gang, gang, yeah.
Our names, get the money of fame, baseball, I'm gonna talk the ball, baseball, get to the money in the hall, the game, Palestine, got some roll out and I'm digging out how. Got some roll out, I'm digging around now, it's fast now, shit daddy, ain't his name, that's it, that's the one.
Like
fast line, y'all be fucking it up.
Mumble rapping.
like I'm digging the eye slit. Slash line, way to style, I be called, really not, I ain't called, she can flag, I be raj, I been passing on the bars, going fast, I made the bar, made the test, I gotta stop staying young.
Ain't shit, I ain't switched, got my ass small, we vibe shit, like damn, we vibe shit. Lying on the road, slaying, we into that white blade, and I know how.
So I'm gonna just keep playing along.
Now that I let go, man, got here, we walk. We only trying to go, let you come by here, yeah, we are coming like fast, now they can't let the nose snake, get about like oh.
Way, get a mask like I do it, aim my flash like, got bang like on my hands. Rain does got the hands like, got the fast like, in the fast lane, quicker than the GT, like bang on it, going straight.
I made mistakes, but I made it far. Yeah, I'm in make ball. It's my time, yeah. I gotta play the start, I know the scene, chasing this green. Man, life been a dream. Ever since I made to the top, man, you wouldn't believe all the shit I've been through to get to where I am. I achieve. Yeah, now I breathe. Baby, y'all know me trying to get all she need. Oh, yeah. Yo, baby, she wanna be with me. Wanna be my time.
Bring it up, man.
Nonsense. Turn this shit off.
I had to get this shit live.
And turn that shit off. And play some shit off Bad Lab. Some shit off Bad Lab. Cool. Let me see. Is this the one?
I'm only shorty. I'm only shorty.
Play this. Oh, this ain't
Feeling myself right now today, man.
It's okay. In love that we play. In our come we make the post. It's the part, make the part. Run it up, we catch the post. It's all way we pay this. It's a call we get it this. And we stop the chase. This they can't know what we get to us. Goals and get it. It's more time we go. Pass. It's our man we got it. Man we talk. Paying no post. Yeah. I see that. See the ball like in my town. It's the ball like coming to snap. It's no more like air. I like wrist up on that layer. Wrist on.
Now that shit performative as fuck. That's a performative ass song. Like, that's some concert like shit, I ain't gonna lie. That shit go hard. That shit go hard, boy. I'm feeling myself today, man, so this is what I'm doing. I will play some snippets of that top floor shit. It's all over the place right now. I'll play this right here. Now, film play Back in Time by Visions World. You feel me? Type shit.
On my spot, but it ain't nothing like it seems. Niggas can't take the pressure, niggas can't face it. All this pain, I can't erase it. Lost my older brother, shit was hell. Lately, I've been focused on myself. That's your money in my shelf. Lately, I've been winning, can't you tell? A lot of niggas claim they wish me well, but they want to see me fail. They rather see me locked up in a cell. I've been chasing my grind, I ain't wasting no time. Money on my mind, I can't go back in time. So I roll it back, cause I only hit it once. I can't get attached, or bands in my hand, but when on this pack. And I came from the mud, now I'm on the mat, nigga. And I want it all so I can relax, nigga. I was born to ball, I was born to flex, nigga. I've been chasing my grind, I ain't wasting no time. Money on my mind, I can't go back in time. So I go back, cause I only hit it once. I can't get attached, shorty. Bands in my hand, but when on this pack. And I came from the mud, now I'm on the mat, nigga. And I want it all so I can relax, nigga. I was born to ball, I was born to flex, nigga.
This shit got me feeling nauseous, bro. What the fuck? That shit got me feeling nauseous. I should have played some like R&B shit. I remixed the background.